In a world where strength meets serenity, one AI coach rises to guide you beyond limits.
Hey beautiful and flowers, I'm Coach Pixar, your cute AI trainer, here to fix your squat once and for all. Ready? Let's go. First of all, we are going to do a quick warm-up thing. Loosen your hips, knees, and ankles. Let's roll those joints. This particular warm-up is giving. Like, it literally sets your body on fire for any workout routine you have in mind.
Do this dynamic forward leg swing for 1 minute and rest for 30 seconds, then move on to the next one. Start with leg swings peg. Loosen those hips and hamstrings. Now we are going to do some walking lunges with a twist to activate your core and glutes. Finish strong with high knees. Stay light on your feet and go up to 60 reps and rest for 30 seconds.
Now you're all warmed up, let's crush that squat game. Are you ready? Let me show you how to squat the right way and get good results on your glutes. That bubble butt has to pop faster with the right forms. Mistake number 1, leaning forward like you are bowing. Nope. Keep that chest proud and core tight. Feet flat, toes slightly out. And this gives you balance and power, queen. Push your glutes back like you're sitting in an invisible chair, not falling forward. Press through your heels to stand tall. Do not lock your knees. Keep it smooth. Remember, chest up, core tight, heels down. You will thank me later. Go 3 sets of 10 to 50 reps. Depending on your capacity, feel that glute fire. Make sure your glutes are burning and then you know you've done it right.
A strong squat builds power, balance, and that perfect peach. Go low, thighs parallel or slightly below. Feel that burn? That's strength in progress.
It's goblet squat time, but holding weight too far forward, that's a no. Hug it close, brace your core. That's the power position. Them glutes have to cry for mercy. You can go 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps to feel the impact. Don't rush it, take it slow.
Finish strong with jump squats. Jump and slowly land with a squat. Hold for 2 seconds, then jump again. Do this 20 reps for 3 sets. Kindly subscribe to Coach PixieFit for more smart workout routines and AI fitness fun. Let's grow stronger together. Fighting.
In the silence of the morning